This is Dr. Padma, Professor, Department of ECE, Gokaraju Rangaraju Engineering College, Hyderabad. Would like to discuss now on applications of satellite services. Let us see what are the applications of the satellite which are used for the communication purposes. So, coming to the weather forecasting. So, the exclusive satellites are used for weather forecasting, which is identified or designed to identify the climatic conditions of the earth. How is the earth? What is the weather forecast? How is the whether it is rainy or whether it is fog, or all these conditions can be identified by these satellite services. They can continuously monitor the assigned areas of earth, and it can able to predict the weather conditions of that region. So whenever you watch a TV, the weather forecast, you can identify that Hyderabad whether it is raining, or Telangana state whether it is raining, or for India whether it is raining or not, or it is too hot. So these conditions, or the weather conditions can be identified with respect to a specific area, exclusively for Hyderabad, or exclusively for Telangana state, or exclusively for India, or throughout globally. So you can identify a specific region of interest where we can identify the climatic conditions, and we can take the images of the earth, and we can do some calculations or some predictions based upon the previous information, previous day, and today's information. We can predict how the climate will be tomorrow. So this prediction can also be possible with this satellite and with these images which is being captured by the satellite. So these images are being transferred with some identified or some particular radio frequency which is being allocated. So the signals are being transmitted towards the Earth station. From the satellite, the signal is being given information towards the Earth station about the condition of the weather forecasting. So which also useful for to predict whether there is any tufan, or there is any hurricane, or any disaster that is going to happen, or so these types of applications are being possible with the help of the satellite services. With the images, we can able to predict the and do the analysis. We can also even see what is the area of vegetation over the entire earth, or even only in the Telangana state or in Hyderabad, how the vegetation is been present in our region, or how the sea is there, what is the state and the condition of the sea, whether it is calm or whether it is a ferocious condition, or you can see the color of the ocean or the ice fields. All these things can be identified with this weather forecasting application type of a satellite, which is used for a specific uh, services. So these satellites are also used for a radio and a TV broadcast. So there can be a dedicated satellites which can able to transmit 100 channels at a time across the globe, and we can able to useful for each and everyone. So any number of people can be the receivers. Broadcasting services, satellites, or the radio services are being covered not only a specific region of interest, not like a weather forecasting, not only a specific region. Apart from that, you can also able to communicate globally. The radio communication or the TV broadcasting can be done global communication. You can do worldwide radio services are been possible with this dedicated broadcast satellites. And there are approximately 30 to 40 centimeter is the size of the dish antenna, which is used for a specific frequencies. where you can able to receive the signals. Okay, that is the size of the satellite antenna, which is suitable for receiving the signals globally. That is about the radio and TV broadcast service applications of your satellite. And coming to the military applications, there are lot of information that is being required for military applications, and they need to gather the information and through intelligence services, and it can be very much confidential. The information should not be leaked by others, other commercial people or other civilians. The information has to be properly maintained or protected. So those are the military services, so which is used for military purposes, for weapon usage. All these are the applications. And it can also be able to, whether it can able to arrive at a decision to with respect to a military or a civilian character. We can even identify with this help of a satellite whether he is a normal person, or he is a uh, uh, or a military person, or from other country, or it can be a terrorist, can be even identified. A civilian or a terrorist can be identified this type of a military satellite services. Then you all know that navigation satellite, it has a huge demand nowadays. So which is used for a precise localization of a worldwide application, and it also very much precision, very much high resolution, and in terms of centimeters, in terms of meters, when you want to travel from one place to another place, you identify, you, or with the help of a GPS system, you check how much distance it is and how much time it takes to travel from the source point towards the destination point. So all these are very much precise and high resolution satellites are used for navigational applications, and which can also be used for ships and aircraft application. Where is the ship located, or where is the aircraft or the flight is located? So with the help of this GPS system, you can able to identify. And if there is any vehicle threat, or if some vehicle is theft, if some vehicle is been taken away by some unknown person, you can able to locate where is the vehicle. And it is also be used for the localization. So these are the applications of the navigational satellites. Next, coming to the global telephone satellites, these are the very major application of the satellite, where you can able to make the international telephone services with the help of this global satellite system, telephone system. You can able to communicate from one country to other. So instead of laying a cable where it is not possible to lay the cable in oceans or in mountains, so all these are being replaced by using these satellites. And it is also used for a very long distance and very easy to transmit with the help of a satellite communication. But of course there is some delay instead of a wired transmission through the telephone system. When you want to speak with your friend who is in abroad, so there is some delay you can able to observe with using your cell phone. When you are communicating, there is, after you speak, there is some delay or lapse of time where you will get your response. So because of this time delay, there is a little bit a small disadvantage with this global telephone application of this satellite. So but you can able to travel the entire globe. So depending upon the distance, there is a delay in the communication. So that is the major problem with this global telephone system. But it is not a major problem, but there is a small delay. That is the only prominent Otherwise, it gives the best services for global telephone system. And these satellites is very much suitable for connecting the remote places. If some person is there at one place and some other person is living at some other place, and there is a hill in between or ocean in between or lake is there in between, or you cannot able to communicate with the help of the cable system. So all these remote areas, the villages, wherever the landlines are not available, this satellite communication system plays a major role. Presently, TSAT, if you check it in our TV broadcasting, where the because of this COVID breakdown, there is the educational is totally now online. So this TSAT is the Telangana State Education Services System is being provided through your TV broadcasting, where anyone at any place in any remote place where the TV signals are being present, you can able to study, or you can able to do the education. So that is the basic advantage of this satellite, which is used for the complete coverage of the global information can be transferred with the help of this connecting the remote areas services of the satellite. So of course, a global mobile communication we have already seen that we can use for the cell phones, where you can use even a GSM systems or a AMPS systems. It can able to cover maximum services is being provided worldwide, and it also depends upon the footprint area. So depending upon the footprint area, there is a maximum possible of the mobile users will get a proper connectivity. So if you look at the satellite services, you can observe the antennas are being laid at different locations by different service providers. Airtel will have a different antenna, your BSNL will have a different antenna. So all this can be cut short with the help of this global mobile communication system, where you can use a MUL, that is mobile user link. Link can be applicable for a transmission with some gateway connectivity. That is how you are able to connect with your Skype calls and all. So that is with the help of your satellite communication system. So that is how you are able to cover between the two different footprint areas. We can able to cover with the help of the satellite by using a gateway link, or by using your mobile user link, or with the help of ISL, that is inter satellite link between the two countries, between the two satellites also you can able to connect. So in any of these ways, you can able to connect and have a global communication possible with this satellite. These are the applications, major applications of the satellite. Thank you.